Howdy lads. So, in my off time, I've been designing my own characters, and this is one of them. She's looking a little rough like that. How about we make a full illustration of her? Let's get started. Alright, so what we're gonna do first, obviously, is, well, we're gonna take our very light pencil and we're gonna do a very rough outline. Alright, let's do a first draft of some details. I'm not quite a big fan of how the eyes came out, but we'll fix it later. Okay, I'm gonna fix some stuff off camera. I'll catch y'all when I'm done. Alright, how about we give her a little friend? This is a little variation of a creature I came up with about a year ago called Bopla. Let's put him in. Alright, gotta grab my G-pen and my ink. Let's get to work. Now let's pop out those Copic markers for some coloring. I want her colors to be very vibrant, a sharp contrast to the kind of bland color scheme of my other character, who we'll draw next video. I hate to be this guy, but look at this graph. Out of all my viewers, only 5% of you are actually subscribed. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe. Please, please subscribe. Please! we're finished. I gotta say, it looks pretty good. Obviously, as usual, some things that I would do differently, but all in all, it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. This is gonna be the start of something new on this channel. I'm gonna be uploading more drawings of my own stuff very frequently now. Yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of this. You can find a link to my Instagram page and my Discord server in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.